with loving kindness. So if you are fidgeting, scratching, uncomfortable, can't sit up tall, there's no harm in noticing that. There's no judgment. It's all good. We're simply noticing, simply taking stock, expanding our awareness. Now slowly bring. We find this almost slightly reverent bow. We tuck the chin, lengthen through the back of the neck. We drop. And we want to just kind of approach this. So I invite all of us, myself included, to approach this with our attention inward by closing the eyes or softening the gaze. And just begin to observe, notice where you might be craving to move or fidget or scratch.